So I bought this for a project that I gotta do. I'm gonna start doing lowrider bikes, and I need to cut cheap metal. You know, I put it on and everything. It works, it cuts straight, but when it comes to like do curves, not good at all. He messed up the cheap metal, everything. You know, so I mean, if you guys are gonna cut straight, it's fine. But I give it 1 star just because it didn't work for what I needed. When you try to do a curve, this right here goes to the side and he messes it up. As you can see, he messed my whole thing up. So now I have to go get another piece because he messed it up.
Sí, como pueden ver aquí, pues me llegó hace ratitos un pedido que había hecho, una navaja o play para ella, y una cortadura de metal. Sí, pues me llegó en buen estado y pues gracias a Amazon por ser tan rápido y eficaz en tus entregas. Así que gracias y ahí estamos comprando siempre. Gracias.